Hey friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song. We're tuned to E flats, just tune each string down a half step. And as always, we'll do all the guitar parts. So let's jump into it. So for our intro, which is also our chorus, we're going to palm mute the open A 2 times. Then play 7A, 7D, 6G. Then go back to 7A, 7D, 4 on the G 2 times. Then just a D power chord, up to an E 2 times. Palm mute the 9th fret on the A 2 times. And then we're just playing the F sharp power chord, back to the E, to the D, back to the F sharp, to the E 2 times. Then we're starting again, palm mute on the A 2 times, our 7-7-6. Now we go to 7-7-4 and just play it once. Back to the D, E 2 times. Now we're going to play the E power chord, slide back to the D, mute, and then the D again, come up to the F sharp, slide back to the E, mute, and then the E 2 times. So let me do that slowly for you. And that's our intro and our chorus. So for our verse, we're palm muting the open A 2 times, then play 2nd fret D, G and B. Do that again, 2 palm mutes the A, 2 palm mutes. Now we're doing an A sus4, so 2nd fret D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B. Back to the open A, to our A, open A, A. So first part. Now palm mute the 2nd fret on the E 2 times, and we're still playing 2nd fret D, G and B. Again, 2 palm mutes. Now play a D power chord, play a D sus4 as an upstroke, and then we're just going to the A, down, up, and then starting again on the A chord. Then we have our 2 palm mutes, our A sus4, 2 palm mutes A, 2 palm mutes A, to our A over F sharp, so 2nd fret E string, 2 palm mutes, to the 2nd fret D, G and B, 2 palm mutes, 2nd fret D, G and B, 2 palm mutes, 2nd fret, 2 palm mutes to an E power chord. And then to finish off, we're doing 9 on the D and the G, slide up to 11, back to 9. And that's our verse there. Now for our pre-chorus, we're going to use power chords again, the F sharp, to the E, to the F sharp, then come up to the A, so 12A, 14, D and G, back to the F sharp, to the E, and then play the E again, slide back to the D, mute and 2 Ds. Then we're going to bend and release the 6th fret with a pinched harmonic, so just a half bend. A string, 5, 4, 2, open, back to the F sharp power chord, E, F sharp up to our A, back to our F sharp, to our E, and finish the same. E, slide back to D, mute, 2 Ds, to our F sharp, this time back to our E, slide, mute, and then just play the E again. From there we go to the chorus, which is just our intro. Back to the verse, stays the same, pre-chorus stays the same, back to the chorus except 2 times. Then we do our verse, which is our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solos at the end. Back to the pre-chorus, and then play the chorus till the end. And there are all the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at the solos. So we're going to start with 18 on the G, hammer onto 19, pull off to 18, play 19 D, 19 G, 19 D, back to 18 G, 19, pull off to 18, back to 19 D, 19 G, 19 D, and 18 2 times on the G. Then do the 18, 19, 18 again on the G, 19 D, 19 G, 19 D, back to the 18 2 times, then play it again and slide down. Then we're going to bend 17 on the B string 3 times, come back to the 4th fret G, do a bend with a pinched harmonic, 2nd fret, D, 4, 3, 2. Then we're coming back up to the 14th fret on the D string, hammer onto 16. G, 14, 16, 14, hammer on and pull off. 14 D, then bend the 16. Play it again and release the 16, pull off to 14. Play 16 D, back to the G, 14, bend the 16. 14, 16 D, back to 14 on the G. Then to finish off we have these pedal tones. We're going to slide up to 14 on the G, 14 B, 14 G, 15 B, 14 G, 17 B, 14 G, and then bend 17 B, and then 17 B, 17 E, 17B, 19E, 17B, 21 on the E, 17B, and then just do a bend and release on 21, a half bend there. And that's our main solo. Now let's have a look at the outro solo. So we're going to start with 2 bends on the 19E, then do a bend and release, pull off to 17, play 19, 17, 19 on the B, then bend 17 on the B, play 17, 14 G, 17, 16, 14, then on the D slide up to 16, play 14, and on the A slide up to 12. Slide up to the 12 again. Then we're sliding up to 14 on the G. Play B, 14, 15, and then we're just doing a trill between 14 and 15, so hammer on and pull off. And then to finish off, it's starting to really fade out. Now we're just doing a run up G, 18, 19, B, 17, 19, 21, E, 17, 19, 21, pull off to 19, pull off to 17. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Turn on the Night Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.